Hey Russell fam, today we are going to make taco soup in the Fissler multi-pot. Be back in just a second. Alright, for this recipe you will need 1 pound of ground beef that I am browning and going to drain in here. You are going to need 2 cans of stewed tomatoes, or we use our homegrown. You need 1 pack of your favorite taco seasoning. You need 1 pack of ranch seasoning. You need 1 can of beef broth, the 14 ounces. You need 1 can of Rotel tomatoes. It calls for pinto beans, but I like to use the Bush's chili beans. It has a mild sauce with it that adds a little extra to it. You need 1 can of corn. And you need a can of black beans. And you need a can of kidney beans. And you are going to drain the corn. You are going to rinse and drain your black beans and your kidney beans. And I'm going to get all that done and we'll be back in just a second. Alright, I have browned and drained 1 pound of ground beef. I have drained and rinsed I drained the corn and rinsed the kidney beans, and the black beans are buried under the corn. Now we're going to add in our pinto or chili beans that I like to use. Then we're going to add the whole can of Rotel tomatoes, including the juice. You don't drain those. You add in 1 can of beef broth. You add in 2 cans of stewed tomatoes. You add in your taco seasoning. You add in your ranch seasoning. Then you mix it all together. I like to make sure the seasoning gets all covered in there, so it's not just floating on the top. Alright, then we are going to put our top on. Alright, and then our pin is right there. See, it's flat, and then we turn it. We lift up, we know it's locked. We come over here, and you see that it says release. We want to put it on seal. And then we want to come over here, and then we want to put it on slow cooking. Slow cooking for 4 hours. And it'll be a blink for 3 seconds. Then it will turn to that and start counting down. And when 4 hours is up, I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Alright, Russell fam, the timer has gone off. We are going to click clear down here. We are going to get our paper towel, and we're going to relieve the pressure, which there's not much. So we're going to switch it to release. There's nothing coming out. So we're going to twist our lid off. Open it up, and we're going to stir it around. Oh, and it smells so good. It's been smelling good since it's been cooking. Alright, you've got taco soup right here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. If you are new to our channel, welcome. And I hope you have a great day. Bye.